more than 2,000 people potentially exposed to hepatitis and HIV in Portland. Now a class action lawsuit has been filed against Providence Health and the Oregon Anesthesiology Group. According to that lawsuit, 4 patients have filed the claim. This comes after they received IV anesthesia during surgical procedures at Providence facilities. Good evening. Thanks for joining us for Katu News at 5, everybody. I'm Steve Dunn. According to Providence, a contracted physician did not follow infection control procedures while administering anesthesia and therefore potentially exposed the patients to hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and HIV. Katu Shelby Slaughter joins us live in Northeast Portland now at one of the Providence locations where this person worked. And Shelby, what does this mean for the people who were exposed out there?
Well, for starters, Steve, they're really scared, and according to some of the lawyers that are representing some of these families, they say that this is causing a lot of stress. Thousands of people at risk of HIV and hepatitis because of one single anesthesiologist contracted to work by Providence and Legacy. A newly filed class action lawsuit accuses the practitioner of violating infection control practices. The hospital systems say more than 2,000 people were impacted at Providence locations and more than 200 at Legacy Mount Hood Medical Center. I don't think it's fair for us to be going through this, because just imagine people who go to take a blood test are going to go with the fear that, oh, I could be infected. Many of the patients, like this one, potentially exposed at Legacy and not involved in the lawsuit, prefer to stay anonymous as she undergoes blood tests to see if she contracted any diseases. She spoke to us in Spanish, saying, I got a little stressed out and cried as I normally would to receive such news, so I calmed down and I made an appointment. All 4 of the plaintiffs in the lawsuit live in Clackamas County. Lawyers representing the victim sent over this statement to Katu saying, quote, since shortly after these notifications were sent out, we've been speaking with patients on a daily basis who were impacted by the potential exposure. They are obviously distressed and concerned about their health and the health of their loved ones. And we did reach out to Providence about the lawsuit, and they declined to comment due to pending litigation. Reporting live in Portland, I'm Shelby Slaughter, K2 News.